Good morning. I am not coming to you from my car this morning. I do have to leave in about 40 minutes, 30 minutes, somewhere in there, but yeah, I thought I would start my day a little earlier so that I wasn't in my car. That seems to be the new norm for filming, is filming in the car because I'm in such a rush to get going that it's easier. It's easier to film in the car. So anyways, I am having instant coffee, cold brew this morning with Swiss cacao charged ketones. I'm super excited. I am just about out of this flavor, like I said in yesterday's video, I think. But some days you just have to have it. So I have some coming, I think. If I don't, then I will order some in the next couple of days because I don't want to run out. They are so good. It's like having chocolate, I don't know, chocolate milk, chocolate mocha. What's wrong with chocolate? So I'm having it in my David's tea tumbler. What's great about this tumbler is the straw hole has a lid, the drink hole has a lid, and so when you shake it, nothing comes out. Yeah, and watch that be the time when that pops open, right? That would be bad. Anyways, I love this tumbler, and I think I might go buy a second one just in case. I do like that it's see-through. I was looking at some tumblers at Bed Bath & Beyond yesterday when I was there, and they're nice, but they don't have all the features of this one. So I'm thinking about buying a second one, and maybe I'll buy a third one and do a giveaway. Maybe that's what I will do. I will think about it. If they have two more at the at David's Tea when I go there, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll pick it up and maybe do some sort of giveaway, because I'm at, I think, 64 subscribers. I would love to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I know 100 is not a lot of subscribers, but I could do it in conjunction with like my Instagram feed as well, so it could be more people that are entering the draw. But I could just do a YouTube video too, a YouTube giveaway. But yeah, so I don't know, like I'm over the halfway mark to get to 50 or to get to 100, so I don't see, we shouldn't have to wait too long, right? Anyways, it's just an idea. I would love to get to 100 subscribers. That would be fabulous. And I think, like I said, if I could do a giveaway at 100, because that is like the first milestone of getting yourself to 1,000, right? And yeah, maybe I'll do that. So I'll do that, and maybe some other, if I find some keto-y type stuff, maybe I might share one of my last packages of the Swiss cocoa and some instant tea or instant coffee. But yeah, look at this. Doesn't that look good? Mm-hmm. It's super good. Anyways, I don't want this morning's chat to go too long. Usually they've been about 6 or 7 minutes, so I just want to keep this one short today. I have yesterday's video coming out today, obviously, because I film and then upload the next day. Oops, ouch. I also have an exciting video that I'm working on for the past 2 days, and I'm hoping that it goes well the rest of today, because today is the big part of the video. And yeah, so I'm excited to share that with you guys. And yeah, that's all I have. So I will see you when I film lunch. Talk to you then. Hi guys. So it looks like I never moved, but I did. Honest, I did. I went to work. I did all the things. I finished off a awesome review video for you guys, which should be up yesterday if you're seeing this today. I wanted to get it edited or filmed, edited, and up in the same day if I could, other than me recording part of it the day before. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what I made from the review, and because it's my lunch. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn you around and show you. Alright guys, so here is my lunch. I made mini waffles with sausage and mustard and then 2 poached eggs. So you'll have to watch my review video to see how I did that. I will link it below because it will already be up. And yeah, so this is lunch. And then I need to plug in my macros because I haven't done that at all today, so that I can see what else I can have. I think we're gonna have burgers for dinner. I may also do the avocado fries depending on where I am with fat. And yeah, and then I think I'm just gonna have like 2 beef patties and some cheese and maybe the avocado fries if I can. So hopefully that's enough, and I will see you when I make dinner. Hey guys, so here's dinner. I'm having 2 beef patties with a little bit of cheese, mayo, sugar-free ketchup, and mustard. And that's it. I am like, oh, and I had a collagen drink while I was waiting. And that's it. So I will see you in my next video. Hope you had a fantastic day, and see you later.